Let's take a quick look at Find a Meal Plan. Find a Meal Plan allows you to search through the very best meal plans that have been created by other users. So let's take a minute and see how this works. Currently, there are 4,272 meal plans that are within this user's calorie range. And what you can do is use these tools to narrow it down and find just the meal plan you're looking for. You can see here that banana occurs 2,510 times in the meal plans that were found. Apple is the next most popular with 2,143, and so on. Of the meats, chicken is the most popular, followed by salmon, and so on down the list. So if I click on salmon, you'll see that down here it says must include salmon, and we've narrowed it down to 822 meal plans. What it did was got rid of all the meal plans that don't contain salmon. The only ones that remain are the ones that contain salmon. So let's say we're also in the mood for rice. And I'll click here on oatmeal. Now we've narrowed it down to 85 meal plans, all of which include salmon, rice, and oatmeal. Now this little minus sign to the left of each food does exactly the opposite. So let's say I'm not in the mood for peanut butter today. If I click on the minus sign here, down beneath it says must not include peanut butter, and we've narrowed it down to 79 meal plans, all of which include salmon, rice, and oatmeal, and none of them have peanut butter. So we'll scroll down and look at the meal plans that have been found, and this one looks good, so we'll choose this meal plan here. And we'll add it to Tuesday. And you can see that we have straight A's all the way across the board. You can either use this meal plan as it is, or you can change things and click on Get Suggestions, and the system will choose foods from your favorites to bring the grades back up again. And if your grades are good enough, you'll be included in the list, and you've then created another meal plan that other people can use. Let's go back to Find a Meal Plan and look at a few more features. You can see here there's some vegetarian options. You can click on no red meat, no poultry, seafood, eggs, or dairy. Grade Select allows you to ensure that the grades are all A's for certain areas. For example, if you were very concerned about heart health, you would set this to a 10 to make sure that the grades were all A's for heart health. Over here for Calorie Distribution, you could say I want higher protein meal plans. So I could select a high protein meal plan that is all A's for heart health. That's narrowed it down to 190 meal plans. And we'll choose this meal plan here. And let's add that into Wednesday. And you can see again, all A's across the board. So as always, you can find any foods that you don't like. You can click delete to remove them, and then you can click get suggestions, and the system will automatically suggest foods from your favorites to bring the grades back up again. And we recommend that everybody does this, because when you improve this meal plan, everyone will have access to your work. Others can then improve on the work that you've done, and then the list of balanced meal plans will grow larger and larger. So that's Find a Meal Plan, and this group project concept where everyone's working together finding and improving meal plans, that is called the Ultimate Meal Plan Project.